Hey guys, welcome back. Today is Tuesday. I just got ready. I'm about to go to the bank and then grocery shopping. I was gonna go yesterday, but I didn't have time. I kind of sat down, meal planned a little bit. I am sick, if you can't tell, and I have a cold sore or whatever from blowing my nose like every 5 seconds, so that's just great. But yeah, I just wanted to take you along. I'm going to, I think, go to Aldi. I usually do most of my grocery shopping there. It is actually pretty nice outside. I think it's about 65. So I'm looking forward to the sunny, nice weather. It's supposed to get a little bit cooler later on in the week, so I'm going to try to enjoy this nice weather. I'm just wearing a black long sleeve shirt, just jeans and my shoes, just nice and comfy. And I think I'm going to take a jacket just in case, just because I am sick. So if it does get a little bit chilly, I'll just put the jacket on. And yeah, don't mind that mess over there. I just finished grocery shopping and now I'm standing in line to get a car wash. I've been needing one for a while and it's really nice and sunny and I don't think it's supposed to rain for a little while. So I really need a car wash. When I get home, I'll show you what I ended up getting at Aldi. I am home now and I wanted to show you what I ended up getting at Aldi. So I have some mangoes, bananas, some roses. I got another plant, I know, but they usually have plants for pretty cheap. These were $3. There's different kinds too, but I already have those. I'm not sure what this one's called. I don't know if that's the right tag. Let's see if it'll focus. But it's pretty and cute, so another addition to my collection. Got some milk. I needed some more broth, so I got beef broth, chicken broth, and bone broth. I like having those on hand if I'm making soup or some kind of stew. Some tuna, broccoli, cauliflower, peppers, heavy cream, some chicken thighs. I'm going to use my KitchenAid mixer and ground it. I have some tomatoes, some bread for Eddie sandwiches, potatoes, onions, lemons, and clementines. Or is this what they're called? They're called halos. Halos mandarins, actually. And all of this came out to be $58.43. So I think that came out really good for all of the items that I did get. I was going to stop by and get some like sliced meat from the deli, which I forgot, but that's okay. This should be good. I'm trying to use up a lot of things like in my pantry and just kind of declutter a little bit because I've noticed over time it starts to get really packed and I like to clean it out after a while and kind of start over. But I did get more like fresh fruits and vegetables to have and like milk and stuff like that. So yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and put the groceries away and then I'm going to make, well, I'm hoping to, I don't know how to call them, but it's almost like buckwheat and chicken, ground chicken. You mix that with like some onions and you wrap it inside of crepes. I know it sounds weird, but it's really good. It's a really good dish. My mom always makes, so I want to make it. And my sister had a baby. I don't know if I mentioned that. She had a baby before New Year's. So I wanted to make some and bring some over to her too. So it is a little while later. I finished making crepes and the stuff to put inside of them, like I was saying earlier. I'll just show you. Here are the crepes. Over here I have, I know it looks funny, but it's buckwheat. Everything is cooked. Buckwheat, ground chicken thighs, onions, and just seasoning. And I'm just going to take it, put some in there, and wrap it up. I'll show you that. And then when you're ready to eat them, you just put a little bit of butter on a frying pan, and you just kind of like brown the sides or crisp them up, and they're so good. You could eat them with sour cream or just plain. all done. These are for my sister. These are for us. I still have quite a bit of this filling left. So I think maybe tomorrow I'll make some more crepes. I did have more, but Eddie had some for dinner with some strawberries. So maybe tomorrow I'll make more and fill them up. And they're also great to put in the freezer. And there's something quick you can take out, de-thaw. Like if you know you have guests coming over or something. It's really nice to be able to put them in the freezer and have them for another time. So yeah, I'll bring these over to my sister tomorrow. And I can't believe that... how many years? Almost 5 years of me being married. I've never made these. Like, I made them with my mom before and stuff, but I don't know. And they're really healthy and delicious. I don't know if I told you, but I got my eyelashes done yesterday. She did a really good job. But yeah, I think for the rest of the evening, I'm just going to clean up a little bit. The kitchen's kind of a mess because I was, you know, trying to hurry up and make food before Eddie got home. I just washed like one set of dishes and dried them. I have some more left. But in the meantime, I just wanted to show you guys like a little hack or something I do to clean my stove. So when it's usually kind of like burnt on there, while I'm washing dishes or cleaning up the kitchen, I want to let it sit for a little bit. So I'll just take either like a soapy sponge or kind of, you know, just get it wet with something, wet paper towel, whatever you have. Just kind of get it wet a little bit. And then I just take some baking soda and just sprinkle it on there. And just let it sit for a little bit. And yeah, while I'm washing the rest of the dishes, it'll sit and soak in. And then it creates like a little bit of a paste. So I'll just take a wet paper towel and scrub it off. So I'm going to let that sit for a few minutes while I finish the rest of the dishes. All of my dishes have been dried and put away. And now it is time to scrub this. So I just have a paper towel. I like to use a paper towel because I can throw it out. It gets a little bit messy. And I'll just take it and just scrub away. It creates a paste. It's like really, it doesn't scratch your stove. And just kind of scrub away. You can wipe it off with water. As you can see, you have to wipe it kind of a couple times because it does leave a little bit of a white residue. Or I have this Honest glass and window cleaner, and in here it actually has vinegar and actually cleans it really good without leaving any streaks. So I'm going to go ahead and spray it down and wipe it off with this. And there it is, perfectly clean stove, no streaks, no burnt marks, and it actually looks awesome, and you don't scratch your stove. I like to use this method. My mom always did it just because I don't have to use any harsh chemicals. It cleans it really well, and yeah, I love how it looks at the end. Now I'm just going to clean up over here a little bit. I have some random things standing around. Just clean it up a bit. I have to take the roses out of there and trim them. I usually do that right away, but didn't do that today. And just clean up a little bit. I love going to sleep with a nice clean kitchen. Kitchen is all clean. I like to turn on the diffuser after I'm done just to get rid of any of like the cooking smells and let it run throughout the night so it's nice and fresh. I scrubbed down the dish drying mat. I like to do that once in a while just so it doesn't get all yucky and dirty. It looks so much better. Feels good to have it all clean. And here are the beautiful roses I got today. This camera doesn't do justice. They're like a really pretty like pink color. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up, and I will see you all next time.